Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to add a Google account to your Android TV. So if you want to add a Google account on your Android TV, what you can simply do is you can go to the top right corner on the settings and open the settings. So here, if I open the settings, you will see the accounts and sign in right below the network and internet. You can open it. And here you are going to see if you have already signed in to any Google account, you are going to see that account right here or any other account. And if you don't have any account, you are only going to see the add account option that I'm seeing as well. So you can simply click on the add account option to add any additional account that you want to add to your TCL Android TV. Then it is going to ask you if you want to add a Google account or a TCL account. So I'm going to select Google account. From here on, I can simply click on sign in to sign in to my Google account. So after clicking on sign in, it is going to ask you to put in your credentials, your email and your password. And this is how you can add any additional account on your Android TV. So I hope it was helpful. Thank you so much for watching.